Appu has the largest library of rhymes and songs in the world, in English and many other languages.
My name in Greek means a star, as I'm star-shaped, and my glory has spread far. My likeness to a daisy is quite strong. To the sunflower family I belong. Mainly in North America I am found. Southern Europe too in me abounds. I bloom in late summer and fall. The bird flower of September I am called. My composite structure is rather special. Tiny ray flowers for my petals. Tiny disc flowers for my center, yellow and round. My plants have woody stems rising above the ground. Bright and showy is my flower head. In its colors, white, pink, purple or red. Of me many species are existent. Some can survive drought, some are frost resistant. I grow in the wild, beautifying the view. I grow easily in gardens too. With other flowers in a bouquet I go well. Identify me, I'm medicinal as well. You are the amazing Aster. We can tell.
Like and share this video. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more musical fun.